Okay, so this might be a more approachable area. It's a bit more open, but I've been to the top of that already and it's straight through the gorse there, straight down the track. This log here is your marker. It's like 3D effects even. And then we're obviously following the creek, wherever that goes. Way over there. So, it's doable, as long as we get enough people. Following the creek, hopefully right along until you get down to those willows there, and then come out to the silage pit, back up the road. Okay, hopefully that's doable. Okay, so back over there is the house and the road, where we usually are. Okay. This is where we would start. Hopefully we can see something here. It's coming up. Sun's going down. I've been here for fucking ages. We go down gorse path down through there. You can't see it back there, but there's quite a bit of creek to go through. Down to that tree, that large one there. And basically following the creek along till we get to there. Okay, and then the choice would be, if it's taken us hours to get there, we could come out via this road, which isn't overly steep, but not overly not steep either, and better than going back the way we came. But obviously if it only took us an hour to get there, which I doubt, we could go back in the reverse path and fight our way back. So yeah, it's up to the club whether or not we're going to use it.